Hello guys, in this video we'll be guiding you on how to combine Chase Point with your spouse. The first thing you need to do is to log on into your Chase account that has the points you want to transfer. Once you're logged in, find the Chase Ultimate Rewards section. This is the main menu of your account dashboard. Then next, in the Chase Ultimate Rewards section, you should see an option to combine points. Click on it, and then you'll be asked to select which card you want to transfer your points from. If you have multiple Chase cards earning Ultimate Rewards point, choose the one that has the points you want to combine. Then you'll need to provide the details of the Chase account you want to transfer your points to. This will typically include the account holder's name and card number. Then once you've entered all the necessary information, you'll be asked to confirm the transfer. Make sure that all the details are correct before you proceed. Do take note that you can only transfer and combine Chase Ultimate Reward points between cards and members of the same household. You can only combine your points with one person and they must share your address. You can also combine Chase Ultimate Reward points between your own Chase credit cards. By combining points, you may be able to redeem them for greater rewards. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.